This one here is the product that I took on a daily basis every day consistently, which is what led to my 40 pounds weight loss in the last 6 weeks. This is what I took every day. Oh my gosh. I was not the biggest coffee drinker until this coffee came out. This is an instant coffee. All you do is mix this with water. You can drink it hot or cold. And by drinking this not only gives you energy, but it burns fat. It keeps you full longer, and you take this to replace your breakfast. So I do this every day, every day. All I do is open this up, pour the powder into the water, mix it up real good, then add the rest of the water in. And I also add a little bit of stevia because I like my coffee light and sweet. It already comes creamed, which is amazing. So it's very simple and easy to do. I know a lot of girls that's on our team, they like to add their sugar-free caramel, their sugar-free whipped cream, their sugar-free this, and make it cute and stuff. You can do that too. And the great part is it tastes amazing, and it keeps me full for hours. I can clean a house. Oh my gosh, the amount of energy that you have after taking this is insane in a great way. And this is also non-GMO, on-the-go packet, keto-friendly, soy-free. Great ingredients with this because a lot of you guys may have heard of bulletproof coffee. The difference between bulletproof coffee and this is the fact you don't have to do all those ingredients at one time. This is already put together for you. And then on top of that, this has MTC oil in it, grass-fed butter, and collagen. So this is helping you out with your skin at the same time as you drinking this to help you with your weight loss, or you're probably taking this to help you with focusing. I also suffer from not being able to pay attention very often, or, ooh, look, squirrel, things like that. I got it bad. So to take this and gain my focus, mind blowing. So this coffee here comes in a pack of 15, and we have it for $39 with our savings program. You can even get sample packs of 5-day sample packs. You can get a 10-day sample pack. You can also get it where you get a 60 packets at once, where we give you, you only pay for 45 packs and you get 15 free. So this is amazing. So this little bag of coffee here, I'm telling you, this is game changing. Pay attention to it. And now, the finale, the last product. Something that I just got started with today, that just launched this year and just shipped out, where people were just now getting their product and already experiencing some great results from what these ingredients are that's in this product. And that's our ThermoFight X. ThermoFight X. Now this ThermoFight X is newly reformulated from our ThermoFight. And ThermoFight X is now also, drum roll, ThermoFight X is also a fat burner also. So all you have to do is take one of these with 2 meals a day. So I'm doing my keto coffee in the morning, right? So that's my breakfast. And then for lunch, I take 1 pill with lunch, and then I take 1 pill with dinner, which I did tonight. I took 1 pill with dinner. And as you can see, I'm talking my butt off and I'm paying attention to y'all. So evidently it's working. It gave me that energy. I'm still full. My last meals is at 7 p.m. every day. I also cut my carbs out. We're also doing a challenge right now. Me and some of the girls on the team is doing a 3-day challenge. So this right here is already giving me great results. And I meant to check my weight from my first day as of now, but I forgot. So I didn't do that yet. But no worries. I will definitely get on it. The great thing about this is it's a month supply. It's 60 tablets in here. Come on, work with me. Work with me, lighting. There we go. The great thing about this is it's 60 tablets in here, which is a 30-day supply, so you do 2 a day. And when you do this, it's only $36 a month. So this is an easy $36 a month. Only thing you have to do is watch what you eat a little bit. By doing so, you can lose 2.5 times more weight by having by being on a great diet with doing so. So that's what I'm doing with it. $36. That's super affordable. Super affordable. And the tablets are a great size. It's coated. It doesn't have a taste to it. It doesn't have a smell either. No taste, no smell. This is also keto friendly. And it also provides energy. It also boosts your metabolism. This is also suppressing your appetite. This has some great ingredients in it that I don't want to jack the names up of. But this also has, goodness. No, I don't want to jack those names up. I ain't going to even do it to myself. So, For some of you guys that have been taking the coffee already, what's your weight loss look like from using it already? I know some of you guys have it. And here's the pill. So it's very easy. And you just take one. You don't have to take a whole ton of them. One pill with 2 meals a day. That's it. $36. The easiest $36 you'll spend. Easiest $36. And this is non-G. This is also not dairy. This is also soy-free, dairy-free, keto-friendly. So this goes right along with your keto diet that you're already on. Now, oh, how did I forget about you? Oh my gosh, something that has gave me great skin and gave me my glow. My nightly routine right here. This right here, I drink every night. This tastes like a Tahitian, like tropical punch to me. It's a tropical crush. Amazing. Now, all you do is just mix this powder with water, and this is called collagen. This gives you 5 sources of collagen, all 5 sources. A lot of people can't get all 5 sources of collagen. I know my parents used to take a collagen, and I looked at theirs and looked it up, and it only had 2 sources. So to get all 5 sources of collagen in this little packet here, and it comes in a cute little baggie. You get 15 packets all together for $39. So, oh, that's awesome, Jay. All right, Patty, I see you, Marie. I see you, Shamika. Yes, you guys see, I'm loving these results. This is amazing. Yes, so everybody's seeing results with this, and it's simple. I basically tell you 4 simple steps that you got to do to get great results. Drink the coffee for breakfast to replace your breakfast. Last meal being at 7 p.m. every night. It's easy. Only eat between 12 and 7, so you're eating between 12 noon and 7 p.m. That's easy. Number 3, minimize your carbs. Number 4, you can have 1 reward day a week. So you get 1 reward day a week. And so, like I said, back to the collagen. So this is very simple and easy to take. It tastes like a Tahitian sunset to me. It's very tropical. I love the taste of it. It's so beautiful in the cup, and it's just beautiful, and it tastes great. So this helps me out with sleeping as well. And like I said, it has all 5 sources of collagen in here. Game changer. Love it. So as you can see, we've evolved from not only just having wraps, but we've also, and that's keto friendly too. So if you're somebody that has that sweet tooth, and you have either the berry, I use the berry lemonade to help with my sweet tooth, but then I also have this collagen here that's great for my sweet tooth too. It satisfies it, and being keto friendly also. So how can you get these products at our discount? How can you take advantage of getting these products for 40% off instead of paying a retail price? Well, we have a simple program available. It's our loyal customer program. All you have to do is simply join as a customer. When you go to the website of the person that invited you to this to this live, and you order through their site, it's going to ask you to join now and become a customer. By doing so, you're going to instantly get our discount, which is up to 40% off all products. You get to take advantage of any flash sales that we have available whenever they come out. You qualify for them. You also get 10% back on all purchases that you purchase to use towards free product. And then at the same time, the only thing you're doing is ordering at least 1 product a month for 3 months. So we have a membership fee that's $50, but we waive it because the only thing you have to do is just do a 90-day challenge with us. And by doing so, we give you that discount. Now, you guys have heard of Sam's Club, BJ's, different discount program places like that. I know I go to BJ's, and my membership fee every year is $111. It's $100 plus tax. I pay $111 to shop there to get their discounts. We offer you a $50 one-time, lifetime membership fee that we waive because you'll order 1 product a month for 3 months. For example, you can order this Thermofite X, which is TFX. You can order TFX, $36 a month for 3 months. Very simple, easy 90-day program. And by doing so, that easily sets you up for the program, and we waive the fee for you. And you're instantly in it. Everything's shipped directly to your house. You'll get a tracking number and everything from us. And it's that easy to be a customer. It doesn't feel like a commitment because you'll have a flexibility with it. You can change the products each month for example, if you do the Thermofite X this month, and then next month you done lost some weight and you want to continue it and maybe add the wraps onto it too because you want to start toning, you can do that. So it's flexible. You can even change the date each month that you want your order to process. So